behalf of Continental Airlines and our SkyTeam partners, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Houston's Intercontinental Airport, where the local time is approximately 3:10 in the afternoon on Wednesday, the 23rd of July. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, keeping the overhead compartment bins closed in the center hallways of the aircraft completely clear of all carry-on articles until the aircraft has been brought to its complete and final stop at the gate. Once the captain has released the fasten seatbelt sign, this will be your indication of safe to move about the cabin, checking around your immediate seating area for any personal belongings you may have brought on board. Do not leave any items on board the aircraft, as any articles left on board will be confiscated by the U.S. Customs officials. Please have all passports, visas, and landing documentation out and readily available for the U.S. officials upon arrival.